Bonjour mga amiga. Being haciendera is so exhausting. People think being haciendera is just about jewelry. Pero ang totoo, it's about managing my sky state. Welcome to Rooftop Game Farm, where the air is thinner but my chickens are thicker. Oh, here's my LB. You know LB? This is only for rich. You know the meaning of LB? It's LV, Lawlaw na Balat. Dahil ang mga alaga ko ay hindi basta manok. They are athletes. I don't give them cheap food. Today, their chef is serving BMX Power Max. It gives them the stamina for their daily high society lifestyle. And of course, for that body goals, look, we have a Trimax Cotrimoxazole. Para silang nag-gym, muscle all the way. No plugs allowed in my hacienda. But wait, someone is sneezing. Oh my God, it's a cold? It's a flu? Sa hacienda ko, bawal ang sakitin. I have my secret weapon. San Miguel Animal Healthcare Cotrimoxazole. It's for respiratory health. And infection. Sorry. Buffering. Medyo choppy. Mahina ang signal. I can have my champion coughing. Like commoners. Isang inom lang nito. Back to being superstar na sila. Health is wealth, di ba? Itong Trimax na to ay antibacterial. Maraming magagamot na manok nito. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, bili na sa mga suking tindahan. But wait! I think they are okay because they are using Cotrimoxazole Trimax. Ignore the noise. That's just the paparazzi or the neighbor's tricycle, whatever. Ang mahalaga, my chickens are healthy, fit, and living the penthouse life dito sa Rooftop Game Farm. It's hard to be successful on top of the roof, but someone has to do it. By the way, don't forget to follow more tips on how to be a rich rooftop owner. Remember, BMEG for the power, Cotrimoxazole for the protection. Bye mga haciendera. See you on the next vlog.